Yo, here's why I could care less when I get rejected. Yo, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, in this video, I want to talk about something that I feel stops a lot of entrepreneurs, especially online entrepreneurs, and that is rejection. All right, nobody likes to be rejected, right? Nobody. I mean, it's just like nobody likes that, right? But that should not be a reason not to pursue your goals, your dreams, your financial goals. Like, that rejection shit is just part of the game. But I realized over the years with dealing with online marketing and sales and all that, like, it really all depends on how you look at rejection. There's all kinds of books out there and videos and webinars and this and that about how to deal with rejection, right? I actually did a video years ago talking about, it's a book out there called Go for No, right? Pretty good book, you know what I'm saying? But in that book, it basically talks about changing your mindset to actually go for the no's. Like, your goal is to hear a no, right? And when you look at it like that, it makes it easier to deal with rejection. Because if you're like, all right, today my goal is to get 50 no's. That's my goal, right? If I get a yes, it's messing up the game, right? So your goal is to get 50 no's, 100 no's, right? And that actually does work. And this works in whatever you're doing. If you're doing, like, you know, cold DM messaging, if you're doing emailing, if you're doing cold calling, right? Go for the no's, right? So that's a damn good tip. But I use that, but I also use something that's just even more basic, and this can actually even help you more. All right. Now, this is assuming that whatever you are selling or promoting, that you actually believe in this shit, right? If you don't believe in what you're promoting or know what the hell you're talking about, this might not work. All right. And that is, whenever you offer somebody something, whatever it is, if they reject you, all right, your mindset is, or needs to be, okay, it's your loss. Keep it moving. Right? So, like, perfect example. I promote a lot of things on my channel, ways to make money online, different courses, programs, whatever. I know that what I'm promoting works. I know that what I'm saying can make people money. I know it, right? Whether I got proof of it or I'm doing it myself, like, everything I talk about, I'm comfortable talking about it, right? So I got several opportunities that I'm talking about now. And so when I present them to people and someone's like, nah, I'm good. Like, nah, I'm straight. Nah, this wouldn't work, right? I'm like, okay. You know why? I'll continue on with my day. You know what I tell myself? That's their loss. Guess they ain't want to make no money. And keep it moving. It's their loss. You almost got to look at it like, and I seen this, I don't know where the hell I seen it. Somebody. And they were talking about, like, if you had a briefcase with like $1 million in it, right? And you went walking around your neighborhood with this briefcase, it's closed, and you walk up to people and you're like, hey, you want this briefcase? I'm selling it for $5, right? And people are like, no, get out of here. Get the hell out of here. Oh, scammer. No, I don't want a briefcase. Even without them knowing what's in the briefcase. The briefcase itself might be worth like $50, but you're like walking around with a nice ass briefcase. You're like, hey, I'm selling this for $5. This could change your life. Da-da-da. You run your sales speech. You know the value of this briefcase. You know that if this person buys this briefcase, they're about to be balling. You know it. But they, you know, they're like, $5. But you telling them, like, yo, if you get this, first of all, the briefcase is worth more than $5. Second of all, I'm telling you, the thing that's in this briefcase will change your life. So it's a win-win situation for you. And people still like, no, I'm good. I'm good. No, I'm fine. Maybe later. Check you out. Whatever. Okay. Keep it moving. You see another person, right? Hey, I got this briefcase, $5. Right? Now, eventually, you keep doing it, you're going to run across somebody like, ooh, $5 for this shit? Oh, here you go. Hit that $5. Boom. They're going to get that briefcase. They're going to open it up. And they're gonna look at you and be like, holy shit, it's $1 million in here. And you can be like, I told you this shit gonna change your life. And that's how I feel. Like when I talk about my opportunities and I present shit to people, and when they get it and they do the work and you know they follow the steps, do what they need to do, and they get results, I'm kind of just like, yep, told you. Straight up. You know what I mean? But it's like if you can't accept that dealing with some sort of rejection is part of the game as an online entrepreneur, like you're not gonna make it. It's not gonna work for you. Straight up. You have to understand there's going to be some sort of rejection, but it's how you deal with it. And the best way to deal for it, I just gave you 2 ways. The first one is just go for the no's. Make it a game. Make it a game. Hey, I'm going for 50 no's today. Period. Damn what you selling. Damn who you talking to. You need to hear 50 no's or get 50 no's in your inbox of people telling you, go to hell, get out of here, no thank you, whatever. Blocked. That's considered a no, right? You get blocked on social media. That's a no. Have that confidence to know what you're selling is that good, that if someone rejects it, it is their loss. So this is how I deal with rejection, and hopefully this will help your ass out.